Gusto niyo bang matutong magbayad ng easytrip via Gcash? Hey guys! So welcome back to my channel. I am your Millennial Filipina. See ya! For those who are new to my channel, welcome to the Millennial world and Millennial family. Kung napadaan ka lang dito sa ating channel, by the way, I am Sia Cardino, a Kapampangan content creator, and my channel is all about finance, education, travel, tutorials, and anything about millennial life. If you want to know more about millennial life, mag-subscribe na kayo and be part of our growing millennial family.
Paano nga ba magbayad ng easytrip via Gcash? Sundan lamang ang mga steps na ito. Number 1, you need to open your Gcash and kailangan merong pong laman yung Gcash ninyo. Heto ang bubungad sa inyo guys and you need to click Pay Bills. Then, madadirect ka po sa mga different categories since easytrip yung binabayad natin, click Transportation. Ayan, sa transportation guys, pwede kang magbayad ng AirAsia, Air You Go Travel, AutoSweep, Cebu Pacific, easytrip, Philippine Airlines at saka Viacom. Syempre, ang binabayaran mo is easytrip, just click easytrip. So, heto yung mga kakailanganin nyo na information. Just type account number, the amount, and email address, ipapadala doon yung resibo. Ganito po yung itsura ng account number and sa card nyo matatagpuan yung account number in case hindi nyo po alam. Make sure ha guys, tama po yung mga information na i-input po ninyo dito. Heto po yung sample ng sa akin, 500 po yung minimum na binayaran ko, so pwede naman po yung 500 pesos. Click next. Recheck it, and then kapag okay na, confirm nyo na guys. Mapapansin nyo guys, yung sa akin is using your G-credit. Kung meron kang balance sa G-credit, pwede mong gamitin yon. Ako kasi ginagamit ko yon para din pandagdag sa G-score. Like for example, in case of emergency, hindi ka makapag-cash in sa Gcash mo, pwede mong gamitin yung G-credit mo. After confirming, ayan na guys, meron ka ng receipt and successful na, 512 po yung total kasi meron siyang charge. Don't worry, sulit naman po yung 12 pesos kasi real time magre-reflect yung payment mo. Mabilis po sa Gcash. You can check the status to your Gcash guys if successful po yung bill payment nyo. And mapapadalhan naman kayo ng SMS na successful yung bills payment ninyo. So yun guys, ganun lang po ka-easy magbayad ng easytrip via Gcash. Thanks for listening guys. For more tutorials, do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button to keep you updated. I hope to see you again on our next content. Stay safe, sane and strong this season. Love lots guys!